guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply eyeliner, and I totally just almost hit myself in the eye. I chopped all my hair off, and I'm not sure how you feel about it, so that's why I'm wearing this beanie, and it makes me look like a child. So I'm trying to wear a scandalous shirt so I feel like you know, more my age. But anyways, I'm just gonna put this back on. I don't know how you feel about my hair yet. Oh, and if you can see a mess in my background, it's because I'm moving all of my stuff out of my room because I'm supposed to be getting carpet soon, so I'm in the process of doing that, so it is not looking good, so just ignore that. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I apply my eyeliner. Okay, I'm using Wet n Wild's Mega Liner. Nothing expensive, I mean, like, it's literally almost, I'm pretty sure this is like the cheapest eyeliner they sell at the drugstore. So yeah, but this is my favorite eyeliner. I only use liquid eyeliner, but I like the ones that have a brush. I don't like the marker felt tip ones because I don't know, I feel like that's cheating. You know, I don't know. What I'm doing is getting my eyeliner and wiping the product off on the lip of the bottle, and then I'm balancing my hand. Actually, it's my elbow that I'm balancing. Okay, and I start with, like, I just press the brush really closely up against my lash line just to, like, make it the most natural line. Does that make sense? Okay, I don't know. I'm like building a starting board. I'm building a foundation. Okay, and then I'm just gonna draw a straight line. And then I'm gonna add my wing. And I have one eye done. And now the hardest part is always making it look the same on the other side. Yeah, I look insane right now. I look really bad with one eyeliner. And I'm just doing the same exact thing that I just showed you guys.
I think the hardest part is trying to balance. I usually get up on my knee. That's how I sit and do my eyeliner. Okay. I like how I don't know how to do my eyeliner on camera. But any other day, as long as there's not a camera in my face, I can do my eyeliner fine. And I know how to put it on. But whenever I'm filming it, I can't figure out how to sit to put it on. Like, that's ridiculous, but anyways.
Well, that could have been a disaster. Let's see if I can make a comeback from that. Instead of dipping it back in the bottle, since I only want a little bit, I'm just gonna go and collect all that we just wiped onto the lid, and then make sure it's all even. There we go. And then we're gonna go back in. Right next to me. I see it now. I see it clear. I was meant for you, we were meant to be. Okay. One's a little wispier than the other. if you could see what I was doing, I was placing a lot of product on my eye and dragging the brush so that way there's not a lot of product whenever I'm trying to do the point, and so I don't have to go in and clean it, and it's just like a little faded point. And that is how I do my sharp eyeliner, but in no way am I trying to say I'm a professional. This is just how I do my eyeliner. And yeah, this is what it looks like up close. If I can get my hair out of the way. I don't know if I like my hair. Does it make me look stupid with this shirt? I feel like it does, but I feel like the beanie is like essential. Because if not, I feel like I don't know. But anyways, I feel like I'm a less cool version of Hannah off of PLL. Anyways, you guys, that is my video on how I apply my eyeliner. Sorry if I'm not like super excited to make this video. I feel like I'm kind of bummed because my hair isn't exactly what I thought it was gonna be. But you know what? It's gonna grow back because it's hair. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love for you to be a part of this little family that we got going on. All my social media links are down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.